So today I'm going to talk about some answers to some common questions about treating bad breath. The Florida Breath Center has a 20-year track record of curing bad breath. Unlike other offices, we totally eliminate the source of the problem. This takes time and skill and the use of very specialized instruments. Instruments only available in one other office in the world. And some people ask, is the treatment at Florida Breath Center guaranteed? Yes. After curing hundreds of people in the last 20 years, we are so certain that our techniques will cure you of bad breath, we guarantee it or your money back. It is the only cure that comes with a money-back guarantee. How long does treatment at the Florida Breath Center last? Well, for the vast majority of patients, virtually a lifetime. Just like you brush and floss, you will need to perform some additional preventative maintenance. It is quite simple to do and adds a few minutes in your personal care regimen. How much does halitosis elimination cost? Well, during the 2-hour examination, we will use a special gas chromatograph and other techniques to diagnose the actual cause of your problem. If the bad breath is your main complaint, there is an additional fee for this specialized exam. After diagnosing the cause of your bad breath, you will be presented with a specific treatment program and cost summary for your individual needs. We offer a cure, not a low-cost, short-term treatment to totally eliminate bad breath from your life. For a severe case, your investment would be similar to 3 to 4 crowns or like a complete set of braces. And if cost is an issue, we do offer financing that allows payment to extend over 1 year with no interest. If you're truly interested in saying goodbye to your bad breath and getting your life back, please call us today.